anything like that. He was just so pure as a filmmaker, and I kind of connected with him, and I said, yes, let's do it.
And you did Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna also.
Of course.
In that, what
Yes.
was there? Uh, I mean, it was the same kind of setup that
Yeah.
you had, and now when you look back, and at that time it was criticized. Maybe India wasn't ready for it or something like that.
Maybe India wasn't ready
But then
for
it was like way ahead of its times,
Yes,
right?
yeah.
That.
But it's always nice to be part of films that are way ahead of its times.
Yeah.
Because in history, when people talk about films, at least they'll remember our films as those films that actually spoke aloud to the nation, spoke to an audience who was yet not ready to face the truth.
Yeah.
And through such films,
And
there
it
were a
was
lot
happening.
of changes. Yeah, it was
But
happening.
It
and-
was happening,
and
but
it made people uncomfortable because it made them see their own truth in their lives. And it's always difficult to reflect upon your own truth, and then when it happens in front of you on celluloid, it kind of, gives you a little jolt,
that there are relationships
Yes.
which don't fit into definitions.
Yes, and not fit into definitions. It also doesn't probably fit in the social.
जो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस है, जो दायरे हैं,
हाँ,
उसमें फिट नहीं होते कभी कभी.
नहीं fit होते because
Yeah.
because everybody is probably trying to put on an act to fit into the social fabric of society, and they feel that one needs to live a certain way to be able to have the respect going. But today I think those things are blurred because today it's all about happiness, to choose happiness over what other people view you as. It's not anymore about what the other person thinks about you. It's more about self-reflection, that are you happy? Are you able to look in the eye and into your soul? You don't have to look into an eye of a stranger to be telling the stranger how happy you are. It's about, are you looking into the mirror and seeing yourself, and deep inside your soul, are you really happy? And people are making decisions based on that today. And I think that's why today a film like Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna speaks those uncomfortable truths, and doesn't follow the societal norm as to just making a woman feel comfortable with the fact that she has a good human being as a husband, that he doesn't hit you, he loves you, and
In spite of that.
it's more.
Yeah.
It's even more than that. So just because your husband doesn't hit you doesn't make him the best husband in the world. Or if a person loves you, it's important for you to love a person back. And sometimes, or not sometimes, I think the generation before has compromised so many times. Where they have lived a life where they were happy with just having good husbands loving them, and they compromise with the fact that, okay, we will also do the same. Not really thinking about their own wishes or their own passion. Because there is also something called, are you physically also attracted to the person you're married to? Is this also an important conversation today? It is. And so many marriages today break because probably they're not attracted to their spouses. So these were all the topics that probably were spoken in Kabhi Alvida, which at that time was uncomfortable.
And the second chance bit.
Yes.
There were many who, like you said, just said that हो गया अब इसके आगे नहीं कर सकते हैं. We've made that decision, we have to stay by that decision. But then in that movie, you said that maybe there are second chances.
Yes.
It's okay to be
Yes.
thinking of a second chance.
Yes, and also I think there is so much social stigma for especially a woman, if she's the one who chooses to choose.
Yeah.
When a man chooses, somehow people are okay with it. But when a woman decides to choose, if she wants to be out of a marriage or she wants to be out of a relationship, that's always raises eyebrows.
Because at that time it was like, yeah, इतना sweet सा तो husband है.
Exactly.
क्यों निकल रही है from
exactly,
this,
Exactly,
But
yeah.
there were some who could empathize. and
Because
see-
they are the ones who were going through it probably.
Yeah. That's true. But when a film gets that backlash and you're part of that and you understand that all those who made that film came from a good place when they
See,
made
as
that
I told you in the beginning of this podcast, as an artist, all you can do is have faith in the script that you choose to do and give you 100%. And after that, how an audience perceives it is not in our hand. You know, they might have different opinions of the same film. You know, but we have to be brave enough to be able to take both. You know, because we believe in the film, and we can't let a film be alone just because the audience hasn't accepted it. We have to stand by our film.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा।
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है।
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब।
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप।
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI, it does not lie.